Hello! Today's video is very special because I will share with you the tips that I followed personally to improve my English. And I want to share them with you. I have only 5 tips here and I want to share them with you so that you can improve your English as well. So let's start with the first tip. The first tip is focus on memorizing a lot of words in English or any other language. If we want to improve our language, we have to memorize many words. We have to know many vocabularies, many words, okay? This is the first tip. You have to know as many words as you can, learn as many words as possible. And this is one of the tips that I can give you. This is through my experience. The second tip, try very short stories. Short stories means try to buy a short story. It could be very simple when it comes to the language used. And there are many types, okay? You just go to the library and pick up short stories that are very amazing. There are many, okay? And through reading, you will improve many of your vocabularies and you will also improve your speaking, your pronunciation, okay? The third tip that I will give you, use a dictionary, whether a book or an app that you might have on your phone. So the book and the app, by the way, I have the two, and I have sometimes online dictionaries, okay? I use them to check the words that I don't know, to look up the new words that I don't know. So through this, you can also hear the correct pronunciation of the word. There are many applications out there where you can improve your English, okay? My fourth tip is speak as much as possible with friends, with your colleagues or classmates in class, with your family, with your teachers, okay? And sometimes it doesn't seem weird to me. You can practice speaking with yourself as well. This will help you to implement, okay, your words and your speaking skills, okay, in reality. And this will help you to use the correct words as well, okay? The last one, which is the very important one. If you don't have it, you will not learn anything in this world, which is consistency. Okay? You have to be consistent and you have to continue till the end. Let me give it to you. English or any language, you cannot learn it in a very short period of time. It's a journey. You have to take a long time and you have to continue till you can notice that your English has been upgraded. Okay? These are my 5 tips that I shared with you, and I hope you have an idea now about my tips of how you can improve your English in general. And I hope you liked it. If you liked it, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, try to subscribe to my channel to receive many of these videos. And I hope I can see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.